Hey guys, this is Ryan over at Hometown Fitness in Plainfield. Today I'm here to show you one of my favorite exercises, and that would be the deadlift. For deadlift, you're going to want to approach the bar with your feet about hip width apart. You can slightly point your toes out if that is comfortable for you. Tighten up your entire body, top to bottom, and hinge out at the hips. Reach down, grab the bar, staying tight, keeping a neutral spine. Try not to look up, look down, and pull on that spine. And then you want to drive the force up as if you are pushing the floor away from your feet. Stand up and drive the motion through the hips to finish out, lock out, and then reverse that motion on the way back down. So at full speed, that is what a deadlift